And last year, I remember this day, I think 30th of March, there was a bomb for all of us, the Burj Khalifa bomb, and now you're talking about nuclear bomb. I don't know, what is this, but really these things are really exciting, and which you have been doing from so many 4 or 5 years, and you are summing up all those things. I think, and that's why we can talk about nuclear things, and really exciting this and going back, like was talking about women's, and uh, like passive is a platform. I This is where our women, they, they have rightly used this platform. They have come out of their kitchens, and they are performing well. They are getting all those knowledges, knowledge, and uh, go back, in my webinar in India. So many women, they are conducting those webinars, and their testimony, like, everything has changed for them. Earlier they were only housewives, and now they are looking after their families. They are looking after the children, the jobs, and there is an on passive for all friends, and they feel confident. I know, and not even young generation. The other 15-year boy, he came to my web, and he was talking like he's living a life with on passive, and I was really amazed with his knowledge, and I just said, "Come on, just 15 years boy being so passionate about on passive. Look, 5 years from now, if we are performing like this, where your career is going to be with on passive." So on passive has given such a form of us. We are so blessed. We are lucky to be part of such a huge opportunity, and the bomb coming. Limit. We are so excited. So thank you for that. And I'll speak on behalf of Mike is not working, so he has sent me a message.